We have 3 stages of learning at SAE. Stage 1 is trimester 1 and 2, where the students are gathering the foundational filmmaking and screen production skills. They will be doing classes such as screenwriting, intro to cinematography, fundamental editing using our Avid software, motion graphic sequences, title design, engaging with After Effects, as well as creating a couple of simple screen productions. From stage 1, they move into stage 2, and the students are starting to engage firstly with more advanced technology, using the fundamental skills of stage 1. Some of the other projects they engage with at stage 2 are documentaries, client-driven productions, music videos, television commercials, web advertorials, equipping them for the real world across a range of different sort of contexts. We use industry as a model, and we have classrooms that are collaborative learning environments. Integration can happen across departments, but also across trimester levels. There are some very, very natural collaborations. For example, an audio student doing the post sound for a film student on their short film. Stage 3 is where they are making the piece of work that will launch them into the industry. They are also engaging with an internship. Our degrees are fast-tracked, and the students are basically out in industry after 2 years. At SAE, our students are learning by doing, and that's the focus.